you can start with whatever you have in the work experience, but coming and actually learning and sitting down and paying attention kind of helps hone your skills on solving a problem without a whole lot of information. Being able to communicate with them honestly, how you were taking the classes, how you liked what you were learning, but also how you were learning it and how they were teaching it. So it allowed us to play a hand in what we were learning, and that was great. I guess the single most important thing I learned here was how to take information, put it together, and come out with a solution. Had you taken my problem solving that I'd had before coming here and put me into my position now at work, I would be lost, like entirely lost. Even just the 2 years here at A&M-Central Texas, economically efficient, time efficient, work in my field and work in a career that I enjoyed was life-changing.